Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to the settings, and then go to the block numbers. You can enable this feature, block unknown, private numbers. You can just enter the phone number which you want to block here, and then tap and edit. You can select number from your recent calls. You can select number from your contacts list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.